The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, northwestern Lee County in southwestern Florida, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Punta Gorda, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cape Coral, Placida, and Rotonda. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.